Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine beef so tender it practically melts in your mouth, no knife needed. That's the magic of slow cooking. It takes tougher, more affordable cuts and transforms them into incredibly succulent, flavorful meals with minimal effort. This forgiving method allows rich, complex flavors to develop over several hours, creating a depth of taste you simply can't rush. It's truly a game changer for delicious, hands-off cooking. Picking the right beef cut is key to slow cooking success. You want cuts high in connective tissue, like a classic chuck roast, flavorful brisket, or meaty short ribs. These are not only more affordable but truly shine when cooked low and slow. The magic happens as their collagen slowly breaks down into rich, silky gelatin, giving your beef that unbelievably tender, fall-apart texture and deep flavor. It's what makes these cuts ideal for our method. Building deep flavor starts before the slow cooker even begins. First, sear your beef vigorously on all sides in a hot pan. This creates a beautiful crust and locks in incredible taste. Next, chop aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery, which will build a robust, savory base for your dish. Finally, add enough liquid, perhaps rich beef broth or a splash of red wine, to partially submerge your meat, ensuring it stays wonderfully moist throughout the long cooking process. Now for the truly easy part, the set it and forget it cooking. Carefully place your beautifully seared beef, prepared vegetables, and rich liquid into your slow cooker. Set it to the low setting and let it work its magic for about 6 to 8 hours, or until the beef is incredibly tender. Remember, resist the urge to lift the lid too often. Each peak releases precious heat, slowing down the cooking process. Just let it do its thing. After hours of patient cooking, you'll be rewarded with shredded perfection. The beef should easily pull apart with 2 forks, transforming into tender, juicy strands ready to enjoy. This versatile, slow-cooked beef shines in so many ways: piled high in soft tacos, tucked into hearty sandwiches, or served over creamy mashed potatoes or polenta. Don't forget to garnish with fresh herbs or a dollop of sour cream to truly elevate both the presentation and the incredible taste. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.